Hi friends! Today is the first day of the free Christmas design marathon. I hope you will love it. For today's Free Friday product, I'm going to create Christmas Gnome Laser Design. Free download in the description. You can download more Christmas gnomes on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sales 75. The promotion will last for a month. First, you need to use nail to clean the parts of the design and remove any excess. Then I'm going to start assembling the design. I'll start from the base. After that, I take acrylic paints and paint all the parts that you need to paint. After that, I start putting together the design. Follow the instructions in the video and you will succeed. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download this free laser design and many more via link in the description. Stay tuned so you can have more free laser Christmas designs. This marathon will last for a month. You can download more Christmas houses on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sales 75. The promotion will last for a month.